EMSAT Physics question on Doppler effect. While you are driving your car on the highway at speed of 20 meters per second, a police car is moving towards you from behind at a speed of 40 meters per second. So here we have two speeds. If the police car siren produces a sound of frequency 500 Hz and speed 340 meters per second, what frequency do you hear for the siren sound? First, we need to collect the data from the question. So, the sound wave speed, which is v, equals 340 meter per second, and the speed of the siren on the police car itself, which is the v source, vs, equals 40 meter per second, and u, the observer in the car, moves with the speed of v node or v observer equals 20 meter per second, and we have the frequency of the sound wave, which is f source equals 500 Hertz. Now let's write the formula to get the observed frequency. F node or f observer equals the frequency of the source multiplied by v plus or negative v observer over v plus or negative v source. Here, the trick in this question is to determine which signs are we going to use for the v observer and the v source. So here is the rule. V source will be positive if the source is moving away from the observer. So it moves away from O, which is the observer. Right. It will be negative if it moves towards the observer. And for the observer speed, it will be positive v node if, and we'll take the opposite. It will be positive here for the source if it moves away. So here it moves towards the source, and it will be negative if it moves away from the source. Check this. Now let's apply the values we get in the formula. The observed frequency will be equal to frequency of the source, which is 500, multiplied by V, which is 340. Here in the question, you are moving away from the source. So away means negative. So minus 20 over 340, which is V. If the police car is moving towards you, so it will be negative as well. Minus 40. Let's calculate this. 533.3. Let's check the answers. So the answer B is the right answer. Thank you.